so stopped in yesterday. I had no clue that this was what the view was. That literally, you couldn't see any of that yesterday. This is so pretty. I'm sure most through hikers walk through here and they're like, oh, cows. And I'm like, cows! Let me stop and look at them forever. So last night, I was sleeping in a cot. I think I showed it in the video. It was very small. You know, like cots are not quite twin size, I don't think. I really, like, my tent is tiny. Like, I don't really roll around a lot in bed. I do turn just from side to side, but I basically kind of like stay in the same area. Anyway, last night I woke up to the feeling of falling on concrete because I fell out of my cot, like dumped the cot over. So that was a fun thing to wake up to. Luckily it didn't hurt. It was cement floor because of course. So fun times. Hi, you are cute. Yes, you. Oh, don't be shy. Oh my gosh, you're cute too. Hi. What? Hi. Okay, maybe I better walk away. You are all adorable. I am smitten. I'm literally walking through poop. You're so cute. Okay. Whoa, Wendy. Look how fun. I always like it when there's like different parts to the trail. Different white blazes. And thank you for this bridge and not making us cross that road. We've had to cross plenty of roads like that, to be honest, but it's so funny when the trail changes to like tourist friendly. Like what? What are these steps? I'm so thankful that the weather has cleared up today for McAfee Knob, or McAfee if you say that. Potato. That was Fort Lewis Mountain Mason Cove Overlook, and we're 3.4 miles. It's a pretty dry stretch to McAfee Knob. This is our water. I'm gonna try a little engineering, see if I can make it better. Where are you going? She is. She's probably gonna go right to you.
Perch me.
She is teasing you. You don't have any food remnants left on your finger. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna cry. Wow. Pretty sure this is my favorite view at lunch so far.
I saw this tree jumping out of the plane. And now I look around. I look to the left, I look to the right. I look down, and then I jump. I go flying down the leg. I stop, and then I continue. And then I inch. And then I continue.
I don't know how people sit on there.
And then I...
Sometimes, like they sit on the left.
And then I continue.
He's a cool dude. We were supposed to Photoshop fail in. I don't know if anybody ever did.
The metropolis. Wow, it's a city.
That rock looks like a creature
This one?
from this angle.
Like the little mouth right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the big nose.
Yeah, I see it.
I like him. I am so happy, so thankful that we were blessed with such perfect, amazing views at McAfee Knob. Like, obviously, that's not always guaranteed. Like, I think about yesterday at Dragon's Tooth, and you couldn't see anything. You couldn't see, like, a foot in front of you. I don't know, like, other than, obviously, the picture I plan to take on the top of Katahdin, like, that's a picture at McAfee Knob that I've been dreaming of taking. And honestly, if we would have been, like, stopped in today, I would have probably thought about, like, just staying real close to here and trying again tomorrow. Like, I would have had a very hard time just being like, well, darn it, we missed that view, like I've had to with some other views that we've missed. I don't think I could have been content with that. So just super thankful. And yes, it's gotten super windy again, and I am here for it. It feels so good because it is hot today, but it's just like refreshing. Huge downhill, huge uphill, and cows. I'm not running, by the way. It's just hard to not go this speed going down. This would have caught me off guard because, like, normally we see cows when we're like, we enter, like, you open a gate and you're like, okay. But this is just like out of nowhere. But to go just texted a little bit ago. Oh, those ones are cute. Oh, look at, oh my goodness. Saying that there was cows on the trail. Oh. Wow. He looks mad at me. Is he glaring? I just want my friends. I'm not gonna eat your glass. How fun. What an awesome day. Oh, hi. I'm just minding my own business. Nice to see ya. Don't want anything to do with your baby. No, ma'am. Although your baby is adorable. I think I got past her before she went to block the trail off. Calmly past. Oh, shoot. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh boy. I love how I think I want to see a bear and I get scared of a cow coming right by me. I do want to see a bear, for the record. Not that close to me though. That's cool. Looks like it's just resting on it. Kind of is, I guess. Okay, so the last fun feature for the day is Tinker Cliffs, and I actually don't really know what to expect. I don't know anything about Tinker Cliffs. Should be just up here. Ouch. Into the wrong way. That just looked like I should go that way. I think other people thought the same thing too. Okay, this way. There's probably a better view down there, but I'll check this one out. It is starting to sprinkle. Wow. Oh, it looks cool though. Wow. Okay, so look, like the difference. And all of a sudden you see like the rain bands. That's cool. Not so cool for having to set my tent up. Oh well. There shall be no complaints out of my mouth about this day. It is insane. It just started pouring. It was like 5 seconds ago that I took that other Look at the difference in the view. Wow. Oh wow, that is a cold rain. Holy cow. It's like pelting. Woo. Okay. Thank you, Tinker Cliffs. I'm getting to camp. Holy cow. That is insane. One last little look-see. It's just crazy. It shows you how quick the weather can change. Oh man, this looks really cool. Okay, it's still sunny. It's a interesting little rain. that makes me feel like I'm gonna get blown off. Wow. I don't know how many of these little cliffs there are. Am I going to go out on everyone? Maybe. Even though the weather is telling me to just keep trucking to camp. Look at the sky. That is awesome. I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I should have walked out over here. Yes, I would much rather cross that than whatever was over there. Oh, ah, so cool.
A fire like this at camp means one thing. James was there.